Hi everyone, this is Mr. Delicious, and now let's continue to our last part of the exam paper formats of the Mathematics Grade 10 National Examination using the past exam paper 2010. We are now into the part C, and usually in part C there's only one question, and that question is worth 5 marks, but then there are 5 questions worth 1 mark each for the part C. That's usually it's always like that. So get used to this kind of system so that you will know what to do when you encounter the exam paper in October. Okay, so let's now proceed to question number 46. So let me erase this. And what is the question number 46 and what topic? So that particular topic has one problem, but there are 5 questions. One problem, but 5 questions. So this is the question for 46. This is more on finding the speed, and then the time, and then the the consumption of the fuel. So usually it's also on in science, which is in physics. We have here a boat travels 30 kilometers due north from point A to point B. So this is like trigonometry, right angle triangle. And then travels another 40 kilometers due east from point B to point C. The total time taken for the boat to travel from point A to point C is 14 hours. First question is, this is the usual question when it comes to this kind of topic. Correctly draw a diagram to illustrate the above information. Okay. So, the first thing here is the letter A, which is worth 1 mark, is you're asked to draw a diagram. Usually, the point of origin is your point of starting, the starting point. That's the point of origin. This is north. You must be very good at labeling this one. North, this is south. Okay, this is south. This is west. And this is east. Okay? So at least you know how to. A boat travels 30 kilometers due north from point A to point B, and then travels another 40 kilometers due east from point B to point C. So this point here, you must always start the point of origin. So this is our point A. The boat travels north. So let's say this is the to point B. And this distance here is 30 kilometers. And then from the position of point B, it travels due east. Okay, that's the east side. And the distance traveled here is 40 kilometers. So usually, it forms a right angle triangle. This one is right angle triangle. So this is point A to B and B to point C. Okay. I hope that's clear. And then, what is next? This one gives you already 1 mark for this diagram. If you will show this diagram, you will already get 8 points. Next one, letter B. What is the question letter B? Here's the question for letter B. The same problem, but here is now our question letter B. The question letter B is, what is the average speed of the boat in traveling from A to B to C. The average speed from point A to B to C. What is the the average speed? The average speed from point A to point A. What is the average speed of the boat traveling from point A to B to C? Now, average speed is defined as getting the total distance over the total time from A to B and B to C, total distance, and then the time from A to B and then B to C. So this is the formula and this is how you work it out. The average speed is total distance divided by the total time. That's the formula of calculating the average speed. From point A to B, the distance was 30, plus from B to C, the distance is 40. Divided by the total time. The total time stated in the problem is the total time stated in the problem is 14 hours. To travel from A to B to C, it took them 14 hours. 14 hours. So that is 14 hours. So now 30 plus 40 is 70. 70 divided by 14. So now the answer is, let's have it here. The average speed is 70 divided by 14 is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, so you will write down now 5. Usually the kilometer per hour is already given in the answer sheet. So just write down 5 kilometer. That's for letter B. For letter C, let's now proceed to letter C. Calculate the distance. This is for letter C. Calculate the distance from point A directly to point C. Okay? Directly to point C. From point A directly to point C. So if you look at in the diagram, this is point A to point C. You are asked to calculate the distance from point A to point C. The side from A to B is 30. The side from B to C is 40. And you are asked to find A to C. So that means that this is a right angle triangle. This is 30, this is 40, and you are asked to find the value of this. This longest side is the hypotenuse because it's right in front of the opposite of the symbol right angle. So we have we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem or Pythagorean theorem, which is stated as C square is equal to A square plus B square. Our C is the hypotenuse, so this is X square equals our A. We can any of that one, so you can use 30, so that is 30 square plus our B is 40 square. So that is now X square is equal to, you are going to multiply 30 by itself 2 times. So 30 times 30 and then is equal to 900. This is 900 plus 40. You multiply 40 by itself 2 times. 40 times 40 is equal to 1,600. So X square now is equal to 900 plus 1,600 is equal to 2,500. Okay? And then you multiply this one, multiply both sides by a power of 1/2. This one also by 1/2. So cancel, cancel. We are now left with x is equal to the square root of 2,500. The square root of 2,500 is equal to 50. Okay? X then is equal to 50 kilometer. So you write down now 50 kilometer. The square root of, it's just like the square root of 25 is 5. So now we have 50 kilometer. Okay, next letter D. Our letter D, question letter D. How long will the boat take to travel directly from point C to point A if it travels the same average speed? Okay? How long will it travel? How long will the boat take to travel directly from point C to point A if it travels the same average speed? So this is from point C to A. So now let's go to our S, average speed is equal to distance divided by time. The question how long is referring to time. Okay, so that's therefore you cross multiply. So our formula now, time is equal to the distance divided by the average speed. Since we already have the distance 50 for our letters from our letter C, take note that whatever answer we got from the previous question, the answer to that one has something to do to answer the next question. So our distance from C to A or A to C is 50 kilometer. And then our average speed is average speed is 5 kilometer per hour. 5 kilometer per hour. Therefore, the time it takes is 10 hours. So that's 10 hours is the answer. Next one is letter E. The letter E question is, this is the letter E. So the letter E is, this is the letter E for question 46, worth 1 mark. The boat uses 2 liters fuel per hour. If the cost of fuel is 4,50 toya per liter, what will be the cost of the fuel needed to travel from A to B to C and back to A again? You get it now? So that's have a look at the question now for letter E, question 46, worth 1 mark. Okay, so how do we work it out? The first one is we have 14 hours plus this second one here is 10 hours. You know how we get that one? 14 hours is from A to B, B to C, and then that's 14 hours. C to A is 10 hours. So the total hour is 24 hours. So all in all, from A to B, B to C, and C to A, the total time is 24 hours. For this 24 hours, you are going to multiply that one by 1 hour of travel uses 2 liters of fuel. So, how much fuel have been used to travel 24 hours? Cancel 1 hour, cancel hour. So, 24 times 2 is 48 liters. This is now the amount of fuel used in the 24 hours of travel. Then the question now finally therefore is how much you have spent for 48 liters. That would be now 48 liters multiplied by, that is 1 liter. The cost of fuel is 1 liter is 4 kina 50 toya. So we have 1 liter in the denominator, so we can cancel it, the numerator liter here, is equal to 4 kina 50 toya. So, cancel liter, 48 times 4 kina 50 toya, the answer is 216. This is now the final and correct answer. 216 kina you have spent for the fuel to travel for how long? 24 hours from A to B to C to, from A to B, B to C, C to A. Okay, so for those who are in the provinces, like in Western Province, if you are traveling from Daro Island to the mainland, or to your islands there, usually you will have to use mathematics in order for you to calculate the amount of fuel that you are going to use, okay, to travel. So this is the end of our past exam paper 2010, and this is for question number 46. This is for question number 46. And this is worth 5 marks. 5 questions and worth 5 marks. So I hope that if you encounter this question this year or this topic this year, you're ready already to answer the question and to get the questions correctly to score high in your national examination. Okay? This is Mr. Delicious, and I wish you all the best, and I hope that you will really make use of this video tutorial and coaching of mine for all the grade 10 here in Papua New Guinea, and for those who are mathematics students, grade 10 students in other countries like the Philippines and in any parts of the world. I hope that you will encounter this video tutorial. Please take care and stay safe. Stay at home and watch this video all the time. This is Mr. Delicious signing off, and tata, bye for now. By the way, just for after this video, the next video is grade 12 advanced mathematics. My next video tutorial is for the grade 12 students advanced mathematics paper 2010. After the grade 12, I will proceed to grade 8 mathematics tutorial. After the grade 8, I will have grade 12 general mathematics students. Okay? And I will make sure that I will upload videos before the end of this month, so that you will you will be able to view all these revision questions here. Okay, so we are now in the modern times, and technology will really help us to make things easy. And this is Mr. Delicious, a Filipino traveling tutor and coach and a Filipino teacher here in Papua New Guinea. Okay, so this is the final one. Signing off now. See you later. Bye-bye.